Grabe siya, oh. A very harsh comment. Well, I'm just not announcing, but I am proud to tell you that last week I have opened a new business, and now I just found that accordingly, yeah, because my assistant told me that it's actually growing, it's succeeding. So that's why today I'm so excited to announce that I'm going to open another branch of my business. Parang hindi mo naman sinasabi na puro kalokohan, binabagtit. Ito nga page niya. Aray.
Hoy, anya man datang tanaw taong dita, ni kataman de pa filter, niyo de twin. Feeling, ikatang de filter ting kafe di giant.
Basta dito filter na lang alam niyo paminpintasan ko. Sige guys. Dati gayam di business ng ibagbagak. So, no, makikita da kami dita tugigaraw. Ikanda kami mot no ka. New branch dito yun. Dahil may sakit na po nun. Palimos.